Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection. So if your Wi-Fi is connected but it shows there's no internet, then in this video I'll show you how it can be solved. So first you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi you are connected with has a stable connection. Majority of the chances are that this is the reason behind that, like your Wi-Fi is not good enough to give you that much strength. So you have to first work onto it. The second thing that you have to do is open the settings, go to network and internet, and there you have to check that you're connected to the right Wi-Fi. And after that you have to look for the troubleshoot. Mostly it is available in the internet, but if you can't find that option, in that case you have to go to the search bar that is below, and there you have to search for troubleshoot. Once you search for it, you will get it, and after that you have to click on other troubleshoots, and there you have to go and click onto the Wi-Fi or the internet option. Once you go there, you have to simply run it, and if there's any issue it will resolve it, and it will also show that the issue has been resolved, or it says that there is no issue. After that you have to get back and again turn on and off your internet. And one thing you have to also understand, that you're not using a VPN. If any VPN is turned on, that could be the reason behind this issue. So make sure you disconnect the VPN. But if you have tried everything, at the last you have to just simply do a restart, then your issue will be resolved. This is a very minor issue. You have to simply try out these basic things and your internet issue will be resolved. But let's say if it is still not getting resolved, in that case you have to go to the settings and you have to go to the network and internet, and after that you have to go to the advanced network setting, and in the Wi-Fi you will see the option for the reset. So you have to go to the network reset, and in the network setter you will have to simply reset it, and at the end you have to again do a restart, and after that your internet issue will be completely resolved. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.